everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're joining me from. Today, I have one of the most amazing person I know in AppSec with Jim Manico. Hi, Jim.
Hi, Vandy. It's really good to be here with you.
Thank you so much, and it's so glad to meet you at OWASP AppSec Europe in Vienna. And we've met in OWASP AppSec Italy days as well.
And I've known you for probably 10 years. I know you've been around AppSec for a long, long time. So it's good to see you once again after all these years.
Thank you, Jim, and it's always good to learn from the legends. So today, when we were speaking, you mentioned about AI VSS, which we just launched today. So can you share your perspective? But yes, I want you to share about yourself because you do so much for the community. So we want to know more about you.
Well, my name is Jim Manico. I'm a computer and application security educator. I focus on teaching people about software security and AI security. I also sell prompts that help AI write secure code from the ground up. That's what I do professionally. At OWASP, I was part of the application security verification standard body for many years. I started the cheat sheet series and a couple other projects. But the most recent project was, after I left the ASVS standard, I started the AISVS. That's the Artificial Intelligence Security Verification Standard to help developers, architects, and security professionals to help them assess and build these new secure AI and agentic systems.
Lovely. So, how can people contribute to it? And also, I know that you're working on many other projects. So, how can people reach out to you or connect with you on those projects?
Absolutely. Excuse me. But the main standard I'm working on is at github.com/OWASP/AISVS, the Artificial Intelligence Security Verification Standard. You can also reach me. My email address is easy. I am jim@owasp.org. JIM@OWASP.org.
Amazing. So, what are your plans for the coming 1 year? I generally ask 5 years, but now we are in AI era. So, what do you think that people should look for?
I think a lot of the new generation AI systems being built and deployed, the security is poor at best. And so I'd read the standard and try to understand some of these new zero trust centric architecture patterns, like not giving your model any default access to data or to tools, to use secure MCP workflows, to use prompt injection guardrails and planning methodologies, to secure your training pipeline. A lot of people are afraid about the future of AI, but as an engineer, our job is not just to spew fear. Our job is to study, learn how to secure, build these systems in a ethical, secure, privacy-centric way. So my job is to be a good educator, but that really makes it so I have to be a good student. So I continue to study, I continue to work on these standards, I continue to learn something new about AI security and application security every day. So I'm ready for the wave of technology that's hitting all of us right now. And I gotta say, it's a joy to do so. I love to learn. I'm an eternal student. So this era of AI is very exciting and fun for me right now. I'm having a great time.
Lovely. And especially for the students, if you can share some advice that with AI, they're very scared that how to move forward. What should they concentrate on?
So as a student, like in computer science, for example, it's good to understand some of the computer programming basics. But honestly, to survive the next wave, what's happening in the world, I would study things like spec-driven development, use these AI tools every single day, learn to use AI tools to do security assessment. And this is a problem at universities right now. A lot of the universities are teaching developers old school programming techniques. If you're a university student, I would also learn, again, AI spec-driven development is one of the most important techniques for the future of AI development. So that's why I advise, don't be afraid of AI, learn it, master it, take courses on it. There's a lot of free information on it. So educate yourself is the most important thing. There's a fast-moving, complicated area, but knowledge sheds light on all things, in my opinion.
Lovely. Thank you so much, Jim, for sharing the wonderful insights. It's always lovely to meet you.
Thank you so much. Likewise, Vandy. It's good to see you.
Thank you.